Here we go. They're hanging rock. Oh yeah. Almost got the garage done. Ooh. They're using, I've never seen that brand sheetrock. Whatever that is. Continental. What is it? Light? Lift light. Huh. Yeah, it feels kind of heavy to me though. It feels like pretty heavy sheetrock. There it is. Half-inch lift light. Huh. All right. Whoa. Oh yeah. Get my glasses on here. Oh yeah. That's pretty amazing. Look at all that. My word, he's dry. All-purpose finish line. They mix it themselves. Dang. Yeah, they get it just the way they want it. Look at all that. That makes me sore just looking at it. But they got it up. That's weird why they start up high. That's strange. Why don't they start up high and go down low? Huh. I've never seen it hung like that. See that? Huh. Yep. They're moving along. I say we're making great progress here, guys. They're doing it all over the house, except some areas. I wonder why they do it like that. Huh. What do you think, Connie? Connie? I wonder how many guys are hanging. Let's see. Something I wanted to see if I could see how much glue they're putting on it. And they're actually, there's screws. These guys are pros to put. Some are nails and some guys are nailing. One guy's nailing, one guy's screwing. Oh, that's strange. He's nailing on here and screwing there. On top, all screws. But they put the ceiling up first, and they put this underneath it to help hold it. So you see that way it's flat. Anyway, it seems like they're doing nails on the seams, and then put the screws up here. Huh. And so yeah, they're doing nails there, screws there. I guess you get a better finish that way. You guys do a pretty good cutting holes out. That's a clean cut there. That's real clean cuts cutting. It's cool in here. That's a bunch of sheetrock. This is the glue, liquid nail. Just plain old liquid drywall. Liquid drywall, liquid nails. Just a bunch of that, but I didn't know they made it in liquid drywall. This is good. How are we looking down there, babe?
Okay.
They got sheetrock hanging down there?
Oh. Some of it, I think.
Some of it, you didn't really look. Why did they put styrofoam? I didn't really say it. How about upstairs?